Welcome back to our daily video series on affiliate marketing tips. Today, we're going to talk about how to leverage email marketing and affiliate marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products, allowing you to reach your audience directly and with personalized messages. Here's a quick tip for leveraging email marketing. First, build a targeted email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and have given you permission to contact them. Use lead magnets, opt-in forms, and other strategies to attract and capture the email addresses of your target audience. Second, use segmentation to personalize your email marketing messages. Make them more relevant to your audience's interests and needs. Segment your email list based on demographics, interests, behavior, and other factors. Create customized messages for each segment. Third, provide value to your email subscribers beyond just promoting products. Share helpful tips, advice, and insights that are relevant to your audience's interests and needs. Build a relationship with them. Fourth, use calls to action that encourage your email subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Use persuasive language and clear instructions to make it easy for your subscribers to take action. Finally, track your results and make adjustments as needed. Use analytics tools to see which emails are getting the most engagement and conversions. Use this information to refine your email marketing strategy. That's it for today's tip on affiliate marketing. Join us tomorrow for another quick tip on how to succeed as an affiliate marketer. Get your 30-minute workday escape plan here at digitalprosperity.ai.